Hi, welcome to this session. Here we are going to experiment few methods from the string class. Initially, we are creating the variable with primitive data type s1, and the value is assigned here with the length of 23 characters. So here, welcome to Java strings. So which is having the length 23, and here first method I want to use is to identify the last index of appearing the particular character. So here for example I am entering the character to identify the last index of given string. Okay, so for this I given the variable I mean character a, right. I want to identify the last index of the a from the given string. So as per this, a is appearing in this index. The position is 14. You look at that here. The this index of this last a here which is mentioned here. Okay, that index is 14. So this method is used to identify the last index of the particular character appearing in the given input string, right. And next one is here we are trying to identify the position of the substring. Okay, so here I mean we are creating the substring from particular position. So here I will give the index. Okay, I will give the index to identify the particular starting position. So starting position we have to give. From that starting position the substring will be created. For example, in this one I have created the substring with the index value here. I have given the index value is 8. Okay, so from this eighth position, the substring is created two Java strings. This is the substring from the eighth index. Okay, so here you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you here. Okay, the eighth index is this one 2. So from the 2 we created the substring from the given the length of the string. Okay, the next one is here we are going to see the replace method. So the replace method is used to replacing the particular character from the given string. So the given string is here, how was your day today. Okay, so from this string I want to replace the a by 3. Okay, so now I am passing that 3 here. This is the existing character and this is replacing character. So as per this output is given here. How was your day is given as a input here. In that a is replaced by 3. You look at that, wherever a is available in the given string, that is replaced by 3. And the next one is here trim method. So the where string is created here with the space, empty space available from starting of the index, and empty space available at the end of the index. So this space will be trimmed from the given string by using the trim method. So as per this here I got the output. You see the space which is available in front of the h is removed, and after the exclamation symbol also removed. So this is the purpose of the trim method in the string class. And likewise, and the next method is here we are using to convert that any data type into string. Okay, for that here I am defining the string data string value, sorry, integer value 1000. The 1000 is going to be converted into string by using the method valueOf. So when you are applying the value of, automatically this 1000 will be converted into string 1000 like this. Okay, so here you see this one is integer value which is converted into string value. For example, if you want to check this, you can add the string value here. You will get the string value 1000 like this. So now when you are adding this, you will get the error here, compile time error you will get here, because this s value is string value. So string cannot be added into integer value 12. You will get the compile time error, like string cannot be added into integer value like that. And next one is here I'm going to convert the given string s1. S1 is this one, right? S1 is converted into all letters into lowercase, and the second one is all letters into uppercase. As per this, here our output is given here. You see, the all the letters from the given string is converted into lowercase letters. All the strings, I mean all the letters in the given string is converted into uppercase by using this two methods. Thanks for watching.